Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and welcome to Declutter Day Wednesday, episode 3. Declutter Day Wednesday is a collab video about decluttering your homes and doing it one room at a time. The month of January is our bedrooms, and working on it a little bit each week. Thank you to Pick and Flip for hosting the videos and this collab, and please make sure that you check out all the other videos on the playlist. So for today, we are going to be working on the surfaces and under the beds in our bedrooms. Now, under the bed is a great place, I think, to store things. Some people think you shouldn't have anything under your bed, but I think it is a great place to store things. But make sure that you are using boxes and under the bed storage compartments that look pretty nice so that your bedroom doesn't look cluttered. A lot of my furniture is old antique type furniture, and the finishes coming off, as you can see here, probably needs to be refinished, but I haven't done that, so I want to make it look nicer. So what you can do is you can get a product called Old English Scratch Cover, and these bottles are actually super old, but they still sell it, and I will have a link in the description to where you can buy some. This one is for light and medium wood, and this one is for dark wood, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is for light and medium wood, so I'm going to use this kind. It does have a safety cap on it. And then you're going to put a little bit on a cloth. It's a liquid that comes out, and then you're going to rub it onto the surface. And what it does is it has like a little bit of a stain that goes into all the cracks that are on your piece of wood. Now, unfortunately, it's not actually a stain. So after a month or two, you're going to start seeing those stains again. They are going to show up once again. But it does the trick of making it look a lot nicer until you can get to the point where you're ready to go and refinish it. If you can just kind of see the difference there. There's the old side versus the side that I just cleaned with a furniture polish. I obviously haven't done this in a while. This piece of furniture is a little darker, so I'm going to use my dark polish the same way. But you can see it is much darker on the cloth. And I'm going to just wipe it on and just kind of rub it until it shines a little bit, and it makes all those little scratches and nicks and rings just kind of disappear, and makes your furniture look so much better. Here's an after shot of that piece. I just really love this little dresser so much. Here's an after shot of the light colored dresser of my husband's nightstand. And one thing that's really good is to have a little bowl or something so they can put different little things in. Several years ago, I was visiting a man, and his mother was also visiting at the same time. And we were in the game room, and she mentioned, "Oh, there's my son." And I'm like, "What?" And she pointed to some of the objects that were decorating the game room. And she said, "I hadn't seen my son in all the decorations in the rest of the house. I saw my daughter-in-law, but I hadn't seen my son." And that made me realize that we need to make sure that our decorations don't just reflect us, but they reflect the other people living in our house, because they're so important to us. So in this nightstand, under the glass, there are some cars. That's a Pontiac GTO, because that is the kind of car that he has and he likes, and some emblems and stuff back there to help reflect his personality as well as mine. Here is a hack for you. I have placed a binder clip onto the back of my nightstand with a thumbtack. And now you take the cord to your phone or your iPads or whatever you have, and you're going to stick it through the binder clip. So you stick it through your binder clip so that the cord is not going to fall to the floor, that it will stay on your nightstand. And you can kind of slide this around. You do want to use a small binder clip so that the head of the cord is not going to slip through. I hope that you enjoyed those tips about the surfaces and under the bed in your bedroom, and please join me next week for the next episode of Declutter Day Wednesday, and check out the playlist and watch all the other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.